Is this effective? Yes or no? Do you want to get rid of that acne or achieve a hydrated and brightened face? If yes, I'll provide an honest review of this face wash. But before we proceed, consider subscribing to this channel if you're new, as I'll be releasing more videos on beauty and cosmetic products. The Tea Tree Foaming Face Wash for acne is described as a potent blend of natural ingredients designed specifically to address acne-prone and active skin. This revitalizing face wash utilizes the purifying abilities of tea tree, the soothing qualities of oat extract, the calming effects of lavender, and the brightening properties of rose extract. Enhance your skincare regimen with a revitalizing infusion of botanical goodness that targets acne and encourages a clearer, more radiant complexion. Based on my extensive research and numerous interviews with individuals who have used and continue to use this product, I have received consistent feedback regarding the remarkable effectiveness of the Tea Tree Foaming Face Wash. Users have testified to its ability to effectively eliminate acne and provide a brighter complexion. However, I didn't stop there. In order to gather more information, I also sought out reviews from various e-commerce platforms, with a particular focus on 5 reviews from Amazon. Pamela said, "I usually buy Body Shop, but the price has increased ridiculously, so thought I'd give this a go. Really pleased with it. As good if not better than Body Shop and a quarter of the price. A gentle foam does a good cleansing job and removes any left on makeup nicely. Would definitely recommend." Mrs. E. Gallagher said, "Amazing product, gentle cleansing, perfect for any skin." Zoho said, "Been using this face wash for years now. I used to struggle with really bad acne. Now I don't because of these face washes. Buy them if you struggle. Tea tree has a really refreshing minty-like smell. It left your face smelling so fresh." Hadika Malik Saeed, "Amazing. Makes my skin feel new and honestly has such a light smell, which feels refreshing." Bird said, "I've had them for nearly 2 months and have only used half of one bottle. Face feels really clean afterwards, but make sure you have some face moisturizer because it will make your face dry." So those are the leading Amazon reviewers for this item. All confirmed customers. The product boasts a 67% 5-star rating and a 16% 4-star rating. In my opinion, I'd recommend giving this product a try. Keep in mind, results could differ depending on your skin type and how often you use it. I haven't come across any complaints about this product causing any side effects on the skin during my research. However, if you do experience any concerns, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor for personalized advice. For optimal results, it is recommended to use this product both in the morning and at night before going to bed. Start by simply dampening your face, then apply 1 or 2 pumps of foam onto your palm. Gently massage the foam onto your face using circular motions. Lastly, rinse off with warm water until your face is completely clean. All right, everyone, we've reached the conclusion of this video about the Tea Tree Foaming Face Wash. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and take care.